Have you ever seen thousands of goats nesting in the Chalan Beel? Today, we will see fishermen catching fish, drying the fish in the drying house, floating duck farm, returning home by boat at the end of the day. To know the full story of this strange and beautiful Chalan Beel, watch the video till the end. Chalan Beel, the largest wetland in the northern part of Bangladesh. During the monsoon, the green fields around it are submerged and turn into a vast sea. And this water is the main source of life, livelihood, and struggle of the people here. The nature of Chalan Beel is as beautiful as it is mysterious. In Chalan Beel, the battle of life with water begins every morning. Local fishermen are fishing by casting nets under the Singra Bridge. Some are standing at the head of the boat and casting nets, while others are sitting in the boat all day and fishing. Some are waiting for the first fish of the day with their fishing rods. This river is not only beautiful, but has provided livelihood to thousands of people. On one side, the village youth are seen bathing, laughing, and having fun. This is like a reflection of the simple joy of the village. Some are seen sitting on the roadside with rods for hours, their eyes only looking at the water. Some are fishing by casting nets. These moments of fishing are a daily thrill for them. This is how some people, who are called Chalan Beel Majai, are writing their life stories. At the end of the day, another industry begins when fishing is over. The famous dry fish of Chalan Beel is prepared. Dry fish houses made of bamboo mats are located on the roadside. As soon as you enter, you see rows of fish drying in the sun on long bamboo mats. Numerous bamboo houses have been built next to the Beel, inside which air circulates and fresh dry fish are arranged in layers on top of them. Sunlight and wind. The combination of these two makes the authentic and delicious Chalan Beel dry fish. Of selling dry fish can be seen on the roadside next to the Beel. The dry fish is being sold on the roadside. This is the simple economy of life here. This is how the Chalan Beel Magi keep their families alive. Keep the tradition of Chalan Beel alive. In their sweat, hard work, and the current of the river, the smell of Bangladeshi soil is hidden. Hidden, there is an indomitable story of survival. As the rainy season ends, some crop fields stand in the middle of the Chalan Beel. These fishermen of Chalan Beel grow various crops, including cultivation on this land. Again, locals can be seen tying cows and goats to feed on this land. And a fisherman can be seen repairing nets next to it. Another wonder in the heart of Chalan Beel is the floating duck farm. Hundreds of ducks float in rows on the water of the Beel, sometimes looking for food, sometimes diving into the water. This scene is like the moving music of life. These farms are a major source of income for the people here. In this peaceful environment of the Beel, the call of ducks, the sound of the wind, and the waves of the water create an extraordinary feeling. On the other hand, if you look closely, you can see the bogs waiting to hunt fish. As the day progresses, they learn the techniques of catching prey. Shrimp, small fish. These are the bog's favorite food. The bogs, which lie silent for hours, suddenly catch their prey in an instant. This patience is what gave nature its strength to survive. But today, the life of the bog is in danger because because of humans. Excessive fishing, aggressive boat traffic, reduced water holding capacity, all of these are rapidly decreasing the number of bogs. It is now our responsibility to protect this precious animal. The light of the day is slowly fading. Evening is slowly falling over the Beel. The color of the sky changes from golden to orange, from orange to bluish gray. The movement of life has not stopped in the water floating on the Beel. Someone is still crossing the Beel from one side to the other in a boat. The wind on the Beel now has the sound of gentle waves, and with that sound are mixed the sounds of livelihood, people, boats, and an eternal union of nature. From far away, countless white bucks can be seen. They roam from one end of the lake to the other all day, sometimes chasing fish floating on the water, sometimes creating small waves in the water with the flap of their wings. Evening slowly falls on the lake, and just then you can see the bucks returning home in groups. Hundreds, thousands of bucks. When the camera turns to the huge bushes, you can see rows of white bucks, hundreds of nests on the tops of the trees. From a distance, it seems like a buck city, the most beautiful, most lively colony made by nature. Today, I am presenting the secret life of these thousands of bucks to you. Watch the video until the end. Everyone is returning to their place, some hiding their faces under their wings, some calling their partner. It is like a haven of peace after the fatigue of the day. The area around the lake is silent then. Only the light sound of the wind and the call of the bucks from far away fills the surroundings. The bucks seem to be preparing for their sleep. At the end of the day, a silent tranquility spreads throughout the Chalan Beel. This strange coexistence of humans and nature is the true beauty of Chalan Beel. Here, the end of the day doesn't just mean the beginning of the night. It means a new morning, a new life, where goats, humans, and the river all live with each other. Today's journey ends here. If you liked this journey, keep your eyes peeled for the next video of Life Bangla. Subscribe to the channel. Your one click is a huge inspiration for us. See you again on a new journey, a new story, a new journey. Thank you all. Allah Hafez.